Having trouble reading ebooks because the Books app keeps crashing on your iPhone? Don't worry, I'm here to help you get back to enjoying your favorite books in no time. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right in and get started. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. To kick things off, hold down the power button along with the volume up or down button together for a few seconds. After that, a menu will pop up on your screen. Next, slide the power button that says Slide to Power Off. Then, your iPhone will restart automatically. Once it's back on, just check to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 2. Give necessary permissions to Books. Now, let's open the Settings app. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, tap on Apps. Next, find and tap on Books from the list. Now, make sure to toggle on Background App Refresh and Cellular Data. Finally, check if that helps with the crashing issue. Solution 3. Reinstall Books. For this next solution, let's head back to the Settings app. Then, tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now look for Books and tap on it. After that, select Delete App. Then, tap on Delete App again to confirm. Now, close the Settings app and open the App Store. Search for Apple Books in the App Store. Then go ahead and download it again. Finally, check if that resolves the crashing issue. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. First, let's open the Settings app one more time. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, select Reset All Settings. After that, confirm by tapping Reset All Settings once more. Your settings will be reset now. And hopefully, the crashing issue should be gone. So, there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the crashing issue with the Books app on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in and happy reading.